Welcome students of class 7th. So today we are going to understand the concept of setting up of margin and float and image using CSS and HTML. So let's get started.
So let's understand the concept of margin through this image. This is the red paragraph that is given here, and the space that is left at the top of the this paragraph is said to be margin top, and the space that is left at the right side of the paragraph, this is said to be margin right. This is called margin left, and the bottom space is said to be margin bottom. So let's do it with HTML and CSS inside the notepad file. So first of all, write here head HTML tag and close it as well. Next, write here head tag. I am including internal CSS here, so I am writing here head tag. Now close it. After that, write here body tag and close it. Inside body tag, write here paragraph. So for paragraph, we will write p tag and we will write here this is a paragraph. And after that, close the paragraph using closing tag of the paragraph. Now save this file. You can use any of the name that you want. I'm writing here margin.html. Save it. It is mandatory to save your file through .html extension. Now open the file where you have saved. Just right click there, open with, and Google Chrome. This is how the output will appear. Now see, there is a little gap at the top. We want to increase the margin. So what we will write here inside head tag, write here style tag and close it as well. After that, write here p tag and write curly braces inside that margin. You will include that margin. So before that, you will write background color so that it will be easily understandable. Now margin top, and I'm writing here 50 pixels and write semicolon, save it. Now refresh it. This is the space that will be left at the top of the paragraph. Now what we want to include the right margin, left margin here. So what we will do, we will just write here margin left colon, and I'm writing here 100 pixels semicolon. Save it, refresh it. It will leave the space at the left side of the paragraph. Now I want right margin. So I will write here, just copy it and write here margin right. Update this, and I'm taking this margin as 200 pixels. Save it. Now refresh it. This is how the margin right will be fixed. Now what you want to write a single line for all these margins. So you will write here margin colon, then this will be the top margin. I'm writing here 50 pixels for the top margin. Then this is the right margin, 100 pixel. Then 100 pixel is for bottom. Then 40 pixels is for left margin. Now save it, refresh it. Now this is the top margin, 50 pixels. This is 100 pixel right margin. Bottom margin is 100 pixels and 40 pixels is left margin. So this is what margin concept is. Now, we are going to understand the next topic, that is called float and image. This is an image that we want to include just beside the paragraph. So, we want this paragraph should be start at the top of the image. For that, what we will do, we will just write here image tag to insert the image. Then we will write src for source so that we can write the location inside double quotes that are given here. Now I want to include this tree image, and I'm just going to see the extension .jpg is here. Yes, now I will write the name of the file, then we will write .jpg. Save it. I am just going to multiply this line so that the paragraph will be looking more in lines. Okay, save it. Refresh it. This is how the output will appear, image, and the paragraph is starting from the bottom of the image. I just want to include this a paragraph at the top of the image. So what I will do, I will just go at the file, I will write after style, I will write image tag, then inside curly braces I will write float and left. Save it, refresh it. This is how the paragraph will start from the top of the image. Now what I just want to update it with the right, so that the image will appear at the right of the paragraph. This is how the output will appear. I hope the concept is clear.
That's all from my side. Thank you. Have a nice day.